So if you are using LinkedIn to find a job, then you have to make sure there's one very, very important component, and that is with who you are connected with. In this video, I'm going to share with you all kinds of ways on what you have to make sure on your connections, the amount of your connections, and as well the type of your connections that you have. And all of that is going to come up right now. Imagine yourself, you getting kind of connection requests from other people, okay? And what's the first things that you're as well looking at, okay? So one thing, yes, you actually check the profile, you maybe check their headline, but when you're then on their profile, the very first thing you try to find out is with who is this person connected with? Is it somebody in my network is this person connected with? Is it maybe do I don't have any connections with this person? Or is it over the second or the third contact? And those are kind of the questions that are going through you. And if you are applying for a job, okay, and you're connecting with HR people or business owners or operation managers or even department leaders, then what you want to do is build a network reputation. Yes, a contact list reputation. And what you want to do is you want to hit, well, in terms of quantity, okay? In terms of quantity, you want to hit the 500 contact mark, because after 500, it comes like a plus, and then you can like have 512 or 600 or even 800. It always keeps at 500 and at plus 500. Now, the reason for plus 500 means that you are a well-networked person. So, I mean, if you just check out a profile and you see it's plus 500 and then you say, okay, good, so this is a well-networked person. It's a person that is more trustworthy. And trust is a very important, I would also say a very important currency that you need to have, okay? So, so building up the trust, the credibility, with the amount of connections you have, it's a very important component. Okay. Now the amount of connections is only the one. It's only the first part of the equation. The second part of the equation is the quality of your contacts. You don't want to invite all kinds of people into your network, okay? Because your network is like your community, okay? It's like a part of you. It's not a part, like a part of you. It's not a part of you, it's a part of you. So what do I mean by this? You have to make sure that you see yourself as an extension of your network as well. So if you invite people, you have to always think long term. You always have to think you can work with these people in the next 2, 3, maybe 5 years ahead. And so things that you can check on, like these are kind of some qualifications you can use, some criteria who you invite in your network. One of them is industry. So if it's industry related, then okay, you can invite those people. By the way, there is no right or wrong in this, okay? So if you just realize, okay, the contacts that you invited in your network, they're not that very good because maybe they just spam other people, or they just, I don't know, they just don't fit your philosophy or your value system, or anything else is like going wrong, then you can actually just remove them from your network. That's fairly easy on LinkedIn, okay? So all the people that you invite in your network doesn't mean that they are staying forever over there, okay? Some of them maybe, and some of them, a certain amount of percentage, maybe you'll have to release them from your network. And who knows, maybe they change and then you can invite them again. So it's very fluid, okay? And yeah, so this is what you're doing, it's like network management, okay? It's part of reputation management. So the question, okay, so you would like to invite people that are in your industry. You also want to invite people, if you're looking, for example, if you're in career and you're looking for job opportunities and you would like to have this kind of financial stability in terms of having opportunities out there, because it takes time to build this up, then you would like to as well invite these 4 different kind of positions to your network. Those ones would be business owners or co-founders. Okay, so those are very good in your network. The other ones would be HR people, because HR people, they as well provide job opportunities. So if we do this actually on a number equation, then it'll be, if a company is like 1 to 10, has 1 to 10 or 1 to 15 employees, or 2 to 10, or depending, like a small range, then it's more good. It's very good to have contact with the CEO over here. Okay. Now, once the company grows, if it's over 15 or until 50 or something like that, then you would like to connect more with operation managers, because they are more responsible for the whole operations of the business. And one of the roles they have is recruiting. And then the third level, if the company is growing bigger, and this varies from company to company, I'm just giving you some guidelines over here. If it's like over 50, then it's more the recruiters that you would like to get in touch with, because now the company is growing, and that's more the right person to talk to regarding job opportunities as well. And then as the company grows, then it's coming more the department leaders of that industry, of that spectrum over there, team leaders. And for large corporations, this might be as well colleagues, like you, like having very similar positions. Then you would like to connect with them, because like this, you can, if there is kind of like a crisis or something like that, you have maybe a group that you can talk with together. And if they find, for example, a job opportunity somewhere else, then maybe they as well can support you as well to find a job opportunity for your own. So those are the 5 different people that you would like to invite into your network. Okay, so CEOs, co-founders, operation managers, C-level executives. Then would be the HR, recruiters, headhunters, executive search consultants. Number 4 would be department leaders, team leaders, and number 5 would be peers, so people like you, basically. Okay, so if you found this very helpful, then share this video with a friend or with a colleague. And if you would like to learn more about contact management, contact list building on LinkedIn, and if you have any questions regarding this topic, simply comment below. And if you want to receive more amazing career advice, not just on LinkedIn, but basically as well for your career, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I release a lot of cool videos on this topic. And otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video.